Okay, here's a little tour of our apartment. We're on the third floor, which is actually the fourth floor. But there's a little elevator here in the back that we can take. Oh, there's an elevator. On the third floor, which is actually the fourth floor because they start at 0. It's got this little window in the back that's like an old maintenance shaft or something, and it's got all scary pipes and wires and stuff all installed in it now. But it takes us up to our own little entrance, and we get to use this fun key. And it takes us right into our apartment. This is the back entrance. This is the second bedroom. Oh, there's Vanessa. She's claimed this bedroom as her little office and dressing room. That's Vanessa. And then if we go up here, this is like the main entrance. So this is our dining room table. This is our living room. It looks out over on one of the main streets, and you can see the little towers in the distance there. And then we have a little kitchen here. Oh, and Vanessa's in the kitchen. She's making a little afternoon snack. Little kitchen. The stove's over there. So that's that. We have a little second bathroom right here. And then this is the main bedroom in the back. It's a little bit further away from the street, so it's quieter. And we actually have two full bathrooms. So I get my own little bathroom here. And Vanessa has the other one in her office. So this is my little bathroom. And if we go out the back here, right off the bedroom, there's a little patio that overlooks. Oh, and here's Vanessa having her afternoon snack and a glass of wine.
Ciao.